So what we're going to do is we're going to put another if block in. Let's try the if block at the bottom, Harry. Can you drag that across into the bottom? All right. Yeah, inside the forever. Perfect. Now, as you said, it's not going to be touching grey. It's going to be touching white. So where was the touching section? And sensing. That's right. And drag that. It's going to start off at green again. Put that in. Yeah. And then change to green. Going to use our sucker. Yeah. Click on that. And then what color do we want it to be? Okay, you actually clicked on black there. The stars are a little bit small. So let's try it again. Click on the sucker. Okay, go over. Keep going. Keep going. And wait there. Keep going a little bit there. Click there. Right, we've got the white. Okay, so if touching white, let's say something. So back into the purple, looks, and say, what do you want it to say, Harry? Crash. Go on then, change it to crash. Cool. For 2 seconds. Go on, let's test it out then. See what happens. Stop the game. Start it again. Okay, try and make it go. See what happened. Oh, crash. No, but it touched the white on the outside. Go on. So, go on. Get it across. Crash. See what happens when you hit a star. Go on. Up. Oh, there. So, that's okay. Yeah. Go on. Crash. So, just let it go. Ready? Crash. Okay. So, that's all right. We're through. And we got winner. Okay. So every time we touch a star, it's saying crash and it's stopping us there. We can't get through. Say that again. Yeah, we have to go back to the beginning. So how are we going to make him go back to the beginning when it crashes? Can you remember where we started? We got an X and Y position, didn't we? What did we have? Minus 100 on X and minus 90 on Y. So come back and we can put that in. So that was in motion, wasn't it? I think. Motion's at the top. Okay. So let's go to, yeah, the fifth one down, drag that in and put that either just above or just below where we did crash, inside that same if. Yeah. So if we're touching the color white, it's going to say crash. Now it's going to do something else. And it's going to make us go back to the beginning. And we said the beginning was X is minus, so put in minus 100. Okay. And Y is minus 90. Okay, let's test that out then. Press stop. And Harry, when you're doing this, when you start it, just try and crash into a star. Let's make sure our code is doing what we want it to do. Okay? Okay, crash into a star. Go up. Across. Oh. Oh, It did. One crash into a star again. Crash. Why do you think it's taking a little bit of time to get back? Should we check our code again? Stop the program. Right, just press stop. That's it. Good boy. Okay, so have a look. If touching color white, it says say for. So after 2 seconds, it's going to the start. So if we want it to go straight to the start, what do we have to do to that blue one and the purple one? Switch it round, that's right. So on the blue, click on the blue, drag and drop that above the purple. Okay, test our program again. Okay, go. Hit a star. Crash, straight back down. And then it stops for 2 seconds. And then the gravity kicks back in again. Crash. Okay, stop the program. There's one other thing we need to do.